Good mighty morning, gals. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Friday, April 9th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Scholars, just a few amazing reminders that you do every single day. I cannot believe how many scholars come to school every single day because they want to learn, learn, learn. Also, thank you to all those parents who came to report card night to have those conversations with our assistant principals. We appreciate all your help and support to ensure your scholars are set up for success. Also, everyone, remember, every day counts. Every day counts. You don't want to miss a day of school because then you miss a lot of lessons and a lot of preparation for your academic success to get to and through college. All right, scholars, it is Friday. Have an amazing Friday, and we'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!